Well, top of the morning to you, buddy.
So how long does it take to get used to using these things?
Well, I'm not really used to them yet. I'm getting better.
You're getting a little better.
No, it's only been 5 minutes. So
5 minutes. No, seriously, does it take about a couple of days, or at least 2 days of practice?
Well, you know, I started when I was a kid. I used to walk on the wooden ones, which you hold in your hands.
Uh-huh.
And later on, I got into these because I was involved in the musical group Barnum, and we had to be 10 foot tall. We had this little character called Tom Thumb, you know.
Tom Thumb.
And everybody else was like on stilts because he was a normal sized guy.
Right.
And now I walk around all day, every day, and meet people like this. It's really cool.
You can walk around in these all day long for like 8 hours.
I've done 8 hours stints. I used to do a lot of gigs where first you got to get down to go to the bathroom.
But it does take a lot of training.
Better aim. Yeah, there we go.
Okay. But how long of training does it really take to get proficient with these?
It takes a certain amount of training initially, and obviously you want to practice next to a wall or around someone who can help you.
Right.
I don't recommend getting on stilts and trying to walk right away. But I believe almost anyone can learn to walk on stilts. It just takes time.
What is your name?
My name is Charlie Strawn. You can call me Shorty if you want to.
Shorty, and you're from South Africa?
Born in Cape Town, South Africa. Yeah, let me give you a close-up. Yeah.
That was good.
Nice. We'll try one of these. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Okay. So like you said, you were walking down in South Africa. You learned how to walk on these.
I walked on stilts in South Africa when I was a kid. My dad made some stilts out of the back fence we had, wooden poles, you know.
And you live in Vegas now?
I live in Vegas. I run a business called Charlie the Clown, and I do birthday parties and special events. And during the summer, I go out and do county fairs and state fairs.
Oh, Charlie the Clown.
Charlie the Clown, yes.
Okay, well, thank you, Charlie.
All right, nice to meet you. Look me up again.
I will.
Okay.
You guys all work together?
Well, we're all working for Las Vegas Entertainment today.
Between $250 and $300.
About $200 to $300 for these things. Where would you buy these stilts?
Stilts.com. There's also a place called All Wall.
Is that right?
Yeah, all-wall.
So you just buy them online nowadays?
Yeah, they're painters or painter stilts or drywall stilts they're called.
Oh, okay, so these are the same stilts that the painters and the drywall people use.
Except, a lot of people modify them. Like I put different feet on them.
Okay, so yours is modified with some special feet.
And then there's also these things called peg stilts that you have to have them custom made. I make peg stilts, and they're normally just aluminum poles, and they're constructed a little bit like this, except it's just one long tube.
I see.
That's it.
What is your name?
Andy.
Andy, and you make peg stilts?
Mm-hmm.
What's the name of your company?
It's Productive Productions.
Productive Productions?
Yeah.
And so you can custom make some peg stilts. Mm-hmm. Okay, well, thanks a lot.